I came straight from school and it was a bit of a learning curve, but it was good. You just get more freedom in terms of your work. The facilities that the college offered are great. You've got all the vehicles, all the jacks, all the tools you'll ever need, and you've got all the support there too with the tutors. The workshops in other colleges weren't up to the same standard as Hugh Baird's are. So everything that the college has got, dealerships, garages, will all have the same. I can strip a transit gearbox in about 10 minutes due to the skills I've learned from the college. Hugh Baird helped me through a lot with getting the job, so I was ready to just go straight from college from Friday into the workplace on the Monday. When I went for my interview, I took all my portfolios which I'd collected over the 3 years of the course, and I think that led to me being where I am now. I am a commercial vehicle technician with People's Ford in Speak, and everything that I've learned is translated over. I'd suggest Hugh Baird for anyone trying to get into the industry.